Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook jerk chicken in the oven. First, select bone-in, skin-on chicken pieces, such as thighs and drumsticks, for maximum flavor and moisture. Next, prepare your authentic jerk marinade using key ingredients like Scotch bonnet peppers, allspice berries, fresh thyme, and ginger. Ensure you marinate the chicken for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, allowing the rich, spicy flavors to deeply penetrate the meat for an unforgettable taste. Once your chicken is perfectly marinated, preheat your oven to a precise 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 200 degrees Celsius. Carefully arrange the chicken pieces in a single layer on a baking sheet, making sure they are not overcrowded to ensure even cooking. Bake the chicken for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, remembering to flip them halfway through. The chicken is done when its internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, or 74 degrees Celsius. To achieve that irresistible crispy skin, consider broiling the chicken for the final 5 to 7 minutes of cooking. Keep a close eye on it during this step to prevent any burning. For an extra layer of flavor and a beautiful sheen, baste the chicken with any leftover marinade or a freshly prepared glaze during the last 10 minutes of baking. A simple yet delicious glaze can be crafted using brown sugar, a squeeze of fresh lime juice, and a small amount of water. After removing your perfectly cooked jerk chicken from the oven, it's crucial to let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is tender and succulent. Serve your flavorful jerk chicken with classic accompaniments like fluffy rice and peas, a refreshing coleslaw, or a vibrant mango salsa. A garnish of fresh cilantro or a lime wedge will add a final touch of freshness and visual appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.